Okay, let's come back to the entrance again. Okay, so in order to give more storage space for the shoes, I have removed these two walls. Okay, and I have extended out. Right, I've built a white cabinet here. Right, and flush with this pillar, and then like that. Okay, so I have left a little space for a settee. Okay, so accessing from the front here. Okay, so this whole thing, right, this whole cabinet will be a full height shoe storage cabinet, right, followed by a settee. Okay, so this bedroom, right, the door entrance has been shifted to here. Okay, right, with a little partition at this side here. So with this in mind, okay, I've designed a full height TV feature wall cum storage cabinet here. Okay, so that gives the homeowners lots of storage, right? And then of course the sofa, right, will be here. Right, it's like a 3-seater, and then like it's like a L-shaped sofa. Okay, so where's the dining, right? Where's the dining table? Okay, so I have measured the width and the breadth of this area here, and I found that it's actually like a square. Okay, so if it's a square space, right, it's always nice to have a round dining table, right, somewhere in the middle here, right, followed by 5 chairs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, don't mind my sketches. Okay, so right, so still leaving ample space, right, for the traffic. Okay, so it's not too cramped. Okay, and then because since this is a square, right, I've created a little bit of the false ceiling at the top here with LED cove lights, right, around it.